Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I'm going to give you a review of the dress I'm wearing now. It's made of the black crepe and it's covered with the black lace. The dress is not lined. Due to the fact that the dress is double layered, one layer is crepe and the other is lace. It is very strong and fits the body well. The design is very simple, almost basic. You know that I love such designs. Neckline, darts, tucks, center back seam, three-quarter sleeves, my favorite ones. The dress is very comfortable. I can sit and walk with it without any problems. It doesn't crumple. Very convenient. I also have an amazing beige blouse made of the same lace. I want to tell you that it's a pleasure for me to receive feedback from my customers and subscribers. I want to remind you that my course on the 10 measurement cutting system is available now. Having bought the course, you'll be able to make a perfect basic pattern according to your own measurements. Having a basic pattern, you'll be able to sew and wear anything you want. Have a close look at the dress once again. You do not necessarily have to make black dresses. Have a look at these pieces of lace. Think of the other colors. The most important thing is that despite the simple design, the dress is very elegant, and wearing it, you will be in the center of everyone's attention. The dress fits my body well. Crepe fabric is pretty soft. It hides all the figure flaws, but at the same time, it fits well and takes the desired shape. I'd like to add that this fabric is suitable not only for sewing dresses, but also for sewing blouses, or both simple and complicated designs. This dress is not only comfortable to wear, it's also very convenient in terms of washing and ironing. It looks good even after being washed in the washing machine. I do not recommend you fabrics which I'm not sure of. I really hope that you like this design. I want it to be different and beautiful. This is why I show you a lot of different sewing techniques and designs. What I also wanted to tell you, that it's necessary to have a single color dress, no matter how many color dresses you have. A simple single color dress of the classic color, black, beige, dark blue, will always help you out. In this dress, I'm always ready to welcome guests or to go to a business meeting. Now that I have this dress in my wardrobe, I will never face a problem of having nothing to wear. I love it. As I've already told you a lot of times, simple designs are the best. The dress is very comfortable and convenient. I really hope that you like it. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. Don't be afraid of experiments. Remember that practice makes perfect. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.